What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Naythegrate, aka Nigga Beans, whatever you want to call me. That's you. Back like I never left, back like I never left, and back like I never left. Damn, watch out, bro. Where y'all going?
We going swimming, bro.
Y'all big. Y'all finna go. If you didn't get in the pool, but my grandma bought some stuff to make some tacos, so y'all know I'm finna hook it up in the kitchen. Hey, Zion, look. Say hey. Tell them I gets down, baby.
I gets down.
Period. I gets down. You already know what it is. But I'm finna get this stuff prepared. Hey! And if y'all are new to the channel, like and subscribe to never miss another video, okay? I'm telling you, I'm dropping videos every day. When I mean every day, I mean every day. Playing no games. Period. Period, sis. But, yeah, so, y'all know me. I does this, period. Get rid of that, get lost. Anyways, so we got the meat right here. We got some shells. Some sour cream. And yeah, we got some lettuce and stuff and cheese and all that stuff. So I'll be back with y'all in a minute. In a minute. Man, what got that something? Wait a minute. Broke your goggles? The goggles with your big ass? That's all. What you doing? Let me see the pool water. If my phone going here, y'all gonna get it through?
Bro, it's not gonna break. Man.
But are y'all gonna get my pool phone if it go in there? They lying. They gonna let my phone suffer. They gonna wait for me to get in to get it. Exactly. I know. I'm not your twin. They haters. Boy, you're a big hater. Hater number one. Hater number two. I know. Antoine. I know you're not finna get that floaty. I know you was not about to try and get that floaty. Try it. Go ahead. Antoine, really? Go. Antoine, really? Really, Antoine, really? Antoine, really?
Give me a floaty.
I said, y'all can't even fit them floaties. Y'all not little no more?
Man, I'm too
Damn, I've been in this cooking game for like 50-something years. Y'all already know what it is, okay? Period. Or I'm gonna meet on the stove cooking, baby. That's just what it is. Period. I don't want my stuff medium rare. I want it done completely, baby. Period, sister. Now we got some tea. I'm finna make me some tea. Cause as y'all know, I don't drink juice. No, but I don't drink juice or soda. I've been trying to get my face to line back up, but it don't even seem like to be working. I'm not even dropping no pounds or nothing. But you feel me? It is what it is. I'm still not gonna drink no juice though, baby. Who was that? Jesus, I ain't see nobody. But I ain't see nothing. I ain't see nothing. I got some refried beans we're gonna put in the meat. Now I got this taco. Oh my God. This whole counter is wet. Wow. Just wow. This whole counter, y'all, was wet. Oh, baby. But I'll see y'all when this stuff get halfway done. Wait, I'm back. Don't forget to what, Antoine?
Huh?
Don't forget to what? This is hell no.
Don't do shit.
I said, don't cuss on my YouTube. What's wrong with you?
Help me take this off.
Shit, bro.
Help me take this off.
Antoine, I know you
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Period.
Help me take this off, man.
That's why I said bye.
Bro, I need help.
You cussing too much, bro. Why would you just put it on? That's sad.
I need help.
I got you, dude.
YouTube again, bro. No move.
Help me. Help me.
Hey, you gotta come both sides from the back.
That's why I'm really.
Let me see, bro. Hey, that's too rough, nigga. Calm down.
Y'all
Going too
big.
hard. Whoa,
That's you,
baby.
gang.
No, that's
Mine in the gutter, bro.
Anyways, but I'll be back with y'all.
Behind the nigga. You ain't tripping?
Sorry, yeah. So I'm gonna cut up these tomatoes. I already cut up the lettuce. Now I'm just gonna cut the front of these tomatoes because I don't like this part or this part. I think we got some. So what I'm gonna do is cut like this, like this, like this, like this. Oh, yeah, I know I'm y'all know I'm professional at this. Baby. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all once I finish putting all this stuff together and stuff. And y'all gonna see it finish. No, I'm just playing. Y'all gonna see it finished though. Good, okay, period. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. I'm gonna wash off this can. I'm gonna put the seasoning in here and everything like that. So period. In the taco shells, we got an electric can opener. Just gonna rinse off the can first. Like so. Okay. I'm gonna unplug it and push it back. Don't try this at home, it ain't safe. Alright, the taco shells. The meat is done. Period. At least I be seeing some of y'all YouTubers and y'all stoves be black. My stove ain't black, baby, but I'm just saying it ain't clean, but it ain't black. But yeah, you feel me? I does this. Hey y'all, as y'all know, hey, this side ain't even got no grease. I'm about to make these kids. Oh wait, my phone's fighting. I'm about to make these kids wait. Oh, I'm finna die, y'all. I just dropped the taco shell behind the stove. Always kids gonna eat some lettuce today. What? Baby, I does that. Period. What? I already know I did that. I'm finna go in, period. I'm not finna record this because I'm tired. And it was a success. So like and subscribe because I'm finna go in. But y'all already know what it is. Stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe if you wanna see. If you wanna see more. If you wanna see more.